Hello everyone! Welcome to today's Python program lesson. My name is Marco and I am excited to help you learn more about Python. Today, we'll talk about a very simple but powerful function in Python called print. So, let's start with this line of code. What does this code do? Let's break it down. The print function is one of the most commonly used functions in Python. It outputs text or variable on the screen. It's like telling your program to say something. In our example, we are telling Python to print three separate pieces of words. Hello, Python and developer. Each of their text, hello, Python and developer, is a string. A string is simple a sequence of characters inside codes. These things are separated by comma. Normally, when you separate items in print, Python prints them with a space between them. The magic in our example happens because special parameter called sep, which stands for separator. By default, Python uses a space as a separator between each item you print. But if you want to use something else instead of a space, you can use sep parameter. In our code, sep tell Python to separate each string with a hyphen and a space instead of the full space. Let's put in all it together. So when Python runs this code, it prints hello, then insert a hyphen and a space, then print Python, insert another hyphen and space, and finally print developer. That is a result of that code. Take a look. Hello, space, hyphen, space, Python, space, hyphen, space, and finally developer. What's happened if we do not use sep parameter? Take a look. Hello, space, Python, space, developer. Okay, that is the example. Let's go back to sep. I will change sep here for example, plus. Run again. Hello, space, plus, space, Python, space, plus, space, developer. And that's it. This is a simple example, but it shows how you can control how things are printed in Python. By using the sep parameter, you can make your control more reliable and customized depending on what you need. I hope this explanation helps you understand a bit more about the print function and how to use the sep parameter to control your output. Keep experimenting with different things in separator and you will get more comfortable with Python. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you want it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more Python program tips. See you next time. Bye bye.